Speaking on NBC's Inside the Chambers, Katamelo said while rules and laws provide a framework for conduct, they cannot dictate personal morality.
The matters we are dealing with is about a moral conscience that you yourself subscribes to. So that in it all means no amount of rules, no amount of law, wording can be reduced to the extent that it can regulate morality. But the law and the rules will give you a framework as to how to conduct yourself.
He explained the steps taken whenever the House in session becomes unruly.
What happens is that the privilege committee will now convene based on the submission I'm going to present to them on behalf of the House to investigate the matter, really. Basically, they will go back, they will look at the videos, they will look at my ruling, they will apply the rules, and define the terms of conditions, one of which will be they will also accord the mentioned member an opportunity to indicate why he said so. And that is now means whatever he said in the social media. That is not taken part as the record. And what he presents to the record, to the committee has got only one power, is to investigate and recommend to the House. So based on their recommendation, and the rule is saying after 7 days, or I don't know what rule is it, but the rule will say after the committee has finished its investigation, within 7 days they must lay upon their report to the House.
Deputy Speaker also notes that the current parliamentary term includes a large number of first-time legislators, with about 80% of them being new. He said this has contributed to some of the challenges seen in the chamber as new MPs adjust to parliamentary procedures and conduct. In this vein, he said presiding officers adopted a more lenient approach to allow members time to familiarise themselves with the workings of Parliament. He, however, indicated that going forward, stricter adherence to parliamentary procedures may be necessary to ensure the effective functioning of the institution.